Is your C drive too full in Windows 11? Instead of keeping everything in one drive, you can split your storage and create a new partition safely and without losing your files. Here's how to do it in Windows 11. Right-click the Start button. Click Disk Management. This tool allows you to manage your storage and partitions. In Disk Management, right-click Local Disk, C. Select Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space is available to shrink. Enter the amount of space you want to create for the new drive. For example, if you want a 100 GB partition, enter 100,000 megabytes. Click Shrink. You will now see unallocated space. Right-click the unallocated space. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Keep the default size unless you want to adjust it. Assign a drive letter, for example, D. Click Next. Choose NTFS as the file system. If this tutorial helped you successfully split your storage in Windows 11, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more simple and practical Windows 11 tutorials. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide.